Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me again today. We are still playing with our acrylic paints, new in this week, and our gel press and our new stencils. So I'm going to pick a couple of base colours now just to pop down on the gel press. So okay, let's go with the Moonlight and Sage today. So these are just our base colour, so we only need a little popping down. And then we're just going to blend that down the gel press. We don't want too much colour on. Nice thin layer works really well. And then we're going to take one of our stencils and pop that on, and then just apply a little bit of pressure, pushing that stencil into the gel press. And if we keep rolling over as it dries, it takes off all that exposed paint, so we can fill that area with another colour. Okay, so let's have a look at what alcohol inks we can use over the top of that now. I might go with the, I always find that the eggplant is a really nice colour actually, it really pulls the image out, so I might just stick with this for now. Okay, so I'm using one of these finger daubers, and I'm going to work my way around the edge. Just applying a little bit of pressure around all that detail. Okay, so I might bring in another colour. Let's have a look what we've got here. Let's go with the Sailboat Blue. I'm going to pop that down onto my mat. Only looking at a very small amount that I put down. Don't need a lot because the alcohol ink is such a strong colour. A little goes a long way, so okay, so that's ready now. I'll pop that into some water and just let that soak so that the paint can come off nice and easy. Okay, so that's looking really nice and dry, and that's simply because I've given it a really thin layer so it dries quite quickly. Now we can think about a colour to take a print. So I might go with the Teresa Green. I find this quite a nice one to lift the print with. So I think any of the light colours are nice. It gives you the true colour of everything going on underneath. So blend that over the top. A nice thin layer, thin enough for us to see the pattern come through underneath. So just work with it for a minute, and then take our, this is a Stencil-it card, this is a 250 GSM, so give that a smooth over. It's a really nice, super smooth card and perfect for this technique. With it being slightly thinner, you can apply the right kind of pressure through it. And let's see what we've got. Wow, that sailboat blue really does work nicely. Again, I'm going to have to write this one down. But it's just such a fabulous way of using the acrylic paints with the alcohol inks. Really does define all that detail on the stencil. So we'll pop that to the side and wait till that's dry, and then we'll stamp over the top. So using our archival jet black, I'm going to stamp some of our, these are some of our old favourites as well. I think these are fairy pods. The descriptions will always be with the videos on a link anyway, so okay, so I'm inking up. Let's make sure that that is completely covered. And then we're going to stamp this over the top. And they come in a set, so this is the smaller one here. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing. This card won't need an awful lot doing to it because the background's just nice enough by itself. You don't have to stamp onto it at all. You could just frame it up. And there we go. It gives us a really nice solid black, the archival does, when it's over the acrylic paint. So that's just worth remembering. Okay, so I'm going to go around the edge of the card using our, this is cornflower blue in the archival. Just need to give it a little bit of depth around the edge. Just so that our eye is pulled into the centre. Okay. So now we're going to use the yellow colour box and our paintbrush. So taking a little bit of water and the yellow, we're just going to put the lights on in our little pods, and we're just going to go around the edge, just giving it a little bit of a glow. As I've said before, start off with your colour really watered down to go around the edge, and then start bringing in your stronger colour nice and gradually. And that looks like someone's actually living there now. Okay, what do we need? Do we need anything else? I'm not too sure, to be honest. Maybe we'll put a little bit of the glitter on. There's my glue pen. Okay, so perhaps put a little bit of glitter just around the top here. Spreading a little bit of magic. And then this time I'm going to use the holographic glitter. This is a very, very coarse glitter, but it gives you a real good sparkle. I only want a tiny little bit on top there. And there it is. Okay. I hope you can see that. That sparkles great. The holographic glitter is just really lovely, giving you a really nice sparkle. I hope you can see that on the camera. I can't quite catch the light. Okay, so I would just mount that up again with some cream card. Just put a nice edge around it. And that, for me, that's enough. So I hope you enjoyed that right from the start to the finish of how we created the background to how we finished stamping it. So thanks for joining me, guys, and we'll speak to you real soon. Take care, bye for now.